Imagine this. You sign up for a new app, enter your email, phone number, maybe even upload an ID. And boom!
A few months later, your data is leaked.
Again.
Your
personal info floating around on the dark web like a lost AirPod in the subway. Your identity sold for $5 on a hacker forum.
Your privacy
Completely gone. Welcome to the broken world of digital identity.
a world where corporations own your data
Store it on central servers.
and let hackers grab it like an all-you-can-eat buffet.
But what if you could own your identity? What if you decided who sees your data?
And no one, not even Google or Facebook,
Could access it without your consent. That's exactly what Decentralized Identity, DID, is solving. No centralized database,
no mass leaks
no KYC forms.
that make you feel like you are applying for a mortgage just to sign up for a website.
You control what you share, for whom, and for how long. DID, Decentralized Identity, lets you prove things about yourself.
Without revealing personal data.
How? Two main approaches.
The first one is self-sovereign identity, SSI.
You fully control your identity and it's not stored on a centralized server.
The second one is zero-knowledge proofs, ZKP.
You prove facts
For example, you're over 18.
without revealing your birth certificate. Now let's look at the real projects that are making DID a reality. Okay, listen, DID isn't just an idea, it's already happening. Let's look at some of the biggest players.
Worldcoin, Polygon ID, Civic, and KILT protocol,
Worldcoin uses biometric scans
like eye scans in sci-fi movies.
to issue proof of personhood IDs. Polygon ID enables ZKP-based authentication for DApps, preserving privacy. Civic, a KYC solution that lets users log in securely.
Without revealing a full data.
KILT protocol, a full decentralized identity system built on Polkadot,
Each of these projects uses different methods, but the goal is the same.
giving you control over your identity.
Okay, how it works, explaining with KILT protocol. Other DID solutions work similarly.
But KILT is a great example of how Web3 identity works in practice and how to create a DID with KILT. The first step, install Sporon wallet.
A crypto wallet designed for storing decentralized credentials.
The second step, creating a DID.
Generate a decentralized identifier that belongs only to you. Like my heart. My followers.
The third step, get verified credentials, VCs.
Use social KYC to prove your email, social accounts, and so on.
The fourth step, use your DID.
Log into the apps, verify your identity without revealing sensitive data. Okay, example use case.
Imagine you're joining an online community, but you don't want crypto bros, scammers, or any bots pretending to be real people ruining the vibe.
Old way.
You upload your passport, they store it forever, and oops, it gets hacked next week.
New way.
You use KILT's zero-knowledge proofs
And just say, hey, I'm a real human.
without giving up any private info.
This isn't just for logins. It can work for KYC, voting, credentials, and even reputation systems.
Is the idea the future of identity? Well, mass adoption takes time. Let's be honest. Most people still use password 123 for everything. So expecting them to adopt Web3 identity overnight might be optimistic. Regulators might resist. Governments want control over identity verification.
But Web3 is growing fast.
And let's face it, if we can convince people to buy pictures of monkeys for thousands of dollars, we can definitely convince them to protect their own identity. The question isn't, will digital identities go decentralized?
The real question is, how soon will everyone be using it? And that's up to us. If you want full control over a digital identity, start exploring DID today. What do you think? Is decentralized identity the future? Or are we all doomed to keep clicking forgot password forever? Drop a comment below. And please don't let centralized platforms win. Decentralize your support by liking the video, subscribe and comment.
Web3 needs you. Okay, that's all for today.